It's 19 hours.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening, Harsh and Abhinav. Now, today you have to keep your camera on because I'm going to watch I'm going to watch you giving the exam. And if there is no sound in the background, अगर आपके background में आवाज नहीं है, then you have to also keep your mic on because कोई आपको सपोर्ट कर रहा है पीछे से, कोई हेल्प कर रहा है, आप कुछ पूछ रहे हैं, आई शुड कम टू नो. So make your room quiet without anyone and keep your mic and camera both on.
Yes, sir. Let me tell, sir. Wait a minute. Let me
हाँ,
tell
हाँ.
everyone. Do not
Correct.
speak.
हाँ, हाँ. Tell them that today is the exam day. Today exam is going to happen. So we have to maintain silence for 40 minutes. 7:40, it's going to over.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Today, because we have exam, so you have to keep your camera and mic on so that I can track what you are doing, with whom you are talking.
Okay, sir.
And be ready with your pen and paper.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And the moment this class is over, I'll give you last 2-3 minutes to click the photo of your copybook and send me on the group. You have to inform your family members. I don't want any noise, right? No disturbance. So for 40 minutes, you have to be alone in that room and tell everyone to keep quiet to maintain silence.
Okay, sir.
So Harsh is ready. Camera of Harsh is on. Mic also is on. Abhinav also is now ready. Mic is on. Camera is on. And now Radha ma'am also is ready. Mic is on. Camera is on. So all three are ready. So we will start now. So today is our day 10. And day 10, we are going to have our first online exam. And if everyone is continuing, then this there is some sound coming from someone. Please inform your family members to not speak. If everything goes fine, we are going to have 6 tests. So day 10 first, day 20 second, day 30 third, day 40 fourth, day 50 fifth, and day 66th. There will be 6 exams, and this class is going to run for 60 days, 60 classes. I don't know. I think the way lockdown is going, I think we will complete that one. Okay, so now I'll start. So exam number 1 by 6, full marks 100, and time is 30 minutes. So time I have kept 30 minutes, but it is possible that because of this online system, we won't be able to finish. In that case, whatever will be pending, suppose if few questions are pending, I will take the balance
यानी
exam on
एग्जाम चल रहा है, थोड़ा देर बाद आइएगा.
Wednesday.
एग्जाम चल रहा है, थोड़ा देर बाद आइएगा.
Okay, fine. So we'll start now. All three of you ready with your pen and paper?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
now I'm starting. The first one is verb forms. Verb forms: burn, hang, shoot, shine, and beat. Quickly, you have to write the V2 and V3. Quickly, you have to write V2 and V3. And I will request, do not try to do any copy and any cheating, because this is going to give you the correct status where you stand. So 5 verb forms are there. Write V2 and V3, past and past participle. Burn, hang, shoot, shine, and beat. The moment you are done, let me know. Done. Write your name on the top of the page so that I can identify who is Abhinav, who is Radha ma'am, and who is Harsh. Write your name on the top. This is question number 1, verb forms.
Done, sir.
Okay, very good. So first participant is done. Radha ma'am, you have to adjust your mobile phone so that I can see you are not there in the camera.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now I can see. Yes.
Now, okay, sir.
Now it's okay. Now it's okay.
Okay, sir.
Harsh, Abhinav, quick.
Okay, sir. Completed.
Abhinav also is done.
Yes, sir, completed.
Harsh also is done. Okay. Now this is next 5. Bite, ring, fall, wind or wind. You can write any
Sir,
one.
V2 and V3 of this.
V2 and V3, yes. And the last one is freeze. Ten verb forms. You have to write V2 and V3, means you have to write 20 words. Each word is carrying half marks. Total 10 marks. For all V2s, half marks. For all V3s, half marks.
Sir, hang, hang you. Oh, another 5. What is there?
You can write any one. If any verb form is having 2 patterns, 2 different forms, you can write any one. If you write any one also, you will get full marks. So hang is having 2 forms. Wind is having 2 forms. You can write any one. Burn is having 2 forms. But you can't mix it. You will write only one pattern. Let me know when you are done.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, so Harsh is done. Waiting for
Yes, sir. I have also done.
Radha ma'am also is done.
Done, sir.
Okay. So now we are going to our question number 2. And question number 2 is dictation. Okay, so I will stop the sharing. And I'm going to tell you, I'm going to read. Okay, so the first word is exile. Exile. And the meaning of exile
Yes, sir.
is exile. Exile का मतलब होता है वनवास. राम को वनवास के लिए भेजा गया. राम was sent to exile. Ram was sent to exile. Exile, वनवास. इसमें
सर
कुछ
एग्जाइल
कुछ
मतलब वन
वनवास.
सर एग्जाइल मतलब है सर वनवास.
एक्साइल का मतलब वनवास.
एग्जाइल मतलब है.
हाँ, वनवास. कुछ वर्ड्स इसमें नए भी हैं जो कि आपको मैंने नहीं बताया है, बट वो रहेंगे टू टेस्ट योर इंटेलेक्चुअल दिस थिंग. सो फर्स्ट वन एक्साइल, सेकंड वन इज बलून. बलून, जिसको हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं बैलून. बलून, एक्साइल, बलून. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The third one is perseverance. Perseverance. We have
सर
perseverance. हमने लर्न किया था पेशेंस, परसिस्टेंस एंड perseverance. मतलब धैर्य. धैर्य के साथ किसी काम को करने को हम बोलते हैं perseverance. Perseverance.
Okay, sir. Done.
Okay. Next one is
Yes, sir.
dengue. Dengue. Dengue is a type of disease which happens because of mosquito bite. Dengue. Dengue is a disease caused by mosquito bite. मच्छर काटने से ये बीमारी होती है, डेंगी.
Yes.
डेंगी. ओके. द नेक्स्ट वन इज सीजर्स. कैंची को हम बोलते हैं सीजर्स. सीजर्स.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next one is bouquet. Bouquet. Bouquet of flowers.
सिक्स नंबर बुके
Sixth one
सर.
is
सिक्स
bouquet.
नंबर बुके.
Sixth one is bouquet. Yes. Sixth one is bouquet. Bouquet का हिंदी होता है गुलदस्ता. Bouquet. Seventh one is meager. Meager मतलब बहुत कम. अल्प. अल्प बोलते हैं हिंदी में, या meager.
व्हाट सर?
Meager. Meager. Seventh. Meager. Meager. Meager मतलब बहुत कम. Meager.
Okay, sir.
मीगर बहुत कम. अल्प बोलते हैं हिंदी में, अल्प. अल्प. मीगर. एट्थ वन इज हिकअप. हिकअप का मतलब होता है हिचकी. हिकअप. 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 नाइन्थ वन इज
हिकअप्स सर. हिकअप्स और हिकअप.
हिकअप. हिकअप सिंगुलर. सिंगुलर. हिकअप हिचकी. नाइन्थ इज शेपर्ड. शेपर्ड का मतलब होता है गड़ेड़िया, भेड़ बकरी चराने वाला. शेपर्ड. शेपर्ड, भेड़ बकरी चराने वाले को हम बोलते हैं
Sir, sound.
शेपर्ड. शेपर्ड. शेपर्ड, गड़ेड़िया. गड़ेड़िया, भेड़ बकरी चराने वाला. शेपर्ड. शेपर्ड. एंड द लास्ट वन इज mesmerize. मंत्र मुग्ध कर देना. mesmerize. Mesmerize. And now I will repeat quickly. You can tally. Exile, exile, balloon, perseverance, dengue, scissors, bouquet, meager, hiccup, shepherd, and mesmerize. So 10 plus 10, 20 marks done. आपने 20 marks exam दे दिया. Now I am going to the next slide. But before that, I have to share the screen. Just hold on. कहाँ चला गया? Where is the screen? Yes, now I am sharing the screen again. Okay. Fine. And now you have 6 marks question. This is collective noun. Collective noun. Quickly you have to match and write. A pride of, a pack of, a pair of, a bed of, a colony of, and a fleet of. Quickly match and write. So either you can write and you can put a line and match it, or straight you can write the right answer. Both options are okay. आप लिख करके मैच कीजिए या सीधा मैच करके लिख दीजिए, दोनों चलेगा. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 marks. 26 marks done. The moment you are done, please let me know.
Sir, done.
Okay, Harsh is done. Abhinav also is done.
Okay, sir, done.
Okay, fantastic. Now going for the next one. This is young ones. Young ones. Left hand side you have name of insects and animals, and right hand side young ones. उनके छोटे बच्चे. वापस आपको मैच करना है. Either you can write and put a line and match, or you can straight line the right answer. Both is okay. So 20, 10 plus 10 plus 6 plus 6. 32 marks done.
Done, sir.
Okay, Abhinav is done.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now waiting
done.
for, okay, Harsh also is done. Now cries of animals, sound of animals. Again, you have birds and animals at the left and their sound at the right, and you have to match. 38 marks done. 38 marks done.
Go ask to Didi. Didi will give you anything you want.
In 20 minutes, we have finished 38 marks question. So we are going good. We are going fast.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Harsh also is done.
Done, sir.
Okay. 38 plus 5, 43. E to E words. You have to write 5 words starting with E and ending with E. 5 English words starting with E and ending with E. E to E. 5 words.
How many words, sir?
5. 5. So 43 done. 43 marks done. Five words starting with E and ending with E. "43 marks done out of 100.
Done, sir.
Okay,
Done, sir.
okay. Keep in mind that you have only, if it is 5 marks question, you have only 5 minutes, not more than that. So either you will write or you will pass. So Harsh can keep blank space and he can attempt this question afterwards because other two are ready. So we are going for next slide.
Sir, done.
Okay, now this is something new.
Sir, done.
Now this is something new which we have not discussed, but I will not tell you. So I have few questions which is going to check if you have done some extra study or if you are having some strong background of English grammar. So we have 3 words, she, birth, and check. And you have to write homophones of these 3 words. In English, we have something called homophone, homonyms, synonyms, antonyms. So do you know about homophones? If yes, write the homophone of she, birth, and check. If you don't know, you can just pass. We can discuss it afterwards. There are a few questions.
Sir, homophones means
Homophones, I will not tell you, exam is going on. Homophones, if you are studying in a school till class 6, 7, you have to study homonyms and homophones and antonyms and synonyms, all these things. If you have not studied, means there's a problem with either your grammar book or problem with your grammar teacher. But nothing to worry. If you don't know, just pass it, and then I will explain you whenever we'll check the answer sheet. If you know, attempt. If you don't know, just tell pass. We'll go to the next slide. 43 plus 3, 46 marks done. "46." Guessing is not going to work. There is no chance of guessing. So either I know or I don't know. So who is going to pass or who has finished?
Check.
She, birth, and check. And you have to write the homophone of these three words.
Sir, homophones means the
No,
matching sound.
No question to be asked. No question to be asked. Either I know, I don't know. Anyway, when we will discuss the answers, we will discuss everything. So nothing to worry. You will learn. You will learn these things. Right now, we are checking our current level, nothing else. And it should be the correct one. Our level should be the perfect one. We are not attempting any IIT, Z or medical or UPSC exam. It is normal exam to check our level.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
We're
done?
done.
So I'm going to the next slide now.
Yes, sir.
Now you have 4 plus 4, 8 plus 3 plus 3. 14 actions are there. There are 14 actions. Please see the picture carefully and write the name of the verb, name of the action. Action verbs. You have to check the picture and try to write what action is going on. There are 14 verbs. 14 verbs are there. बहुत ही ध्यान से पिक्चर को देखिए और प्लीज राइट द वर्ब. क्या एक्शन हो रहा है? That verb has to be written. Four plus 4, 8, 8 plus 3, 11 plus 3, 14. There are 14 action verbs.
सर सेकंड वाला नहीं दिख रहा क्या कर रहा है, आइसक्रीम खा रहा है कि सिंगिंग कर गाना गा रहा है?
सी उसके हाथ में कुछ तो एक लाल लाल है. ध्यान से देखो थोड़ा सा पास जा करके.
एप्पल, इट्स एन एप्पल, इट्स एन एप्पल.
तो बोलो मत ना यार अभिनव. अगर आपने समझ लिया देन कीप विथ यू. डू नॉट डिस्क्लोज. डू नॉट डिस्क्लोज. If you will ask me, I will give you some clue. I cannot tell the entire thing, but I can give you some clue.
Sir, what is the seventh one?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. सेवेंथ वन में उसके पास कुछ चीजें हैं जिसको वो मतलब एक आदमी है जो कि शायद एक रस्सी है, पास में कुछ और चीजें हैं, वो कुछ तो कर रहा है. थोड़ा सा क्लियर मुझे भी नहीं है क्या कर रहा है वो. बट वी हैव टू गेस. इमेजिन करना है, नथिंग एल्स. उसके अगल बगल में दो चीजें उड़ रही हैं. उसके हाथ ऐसे ऊपर में हैं. एक शायद रस्सी की तरह से वहां से लटका हुआ है.
It's 19:30.
Now we have only 5 more minutes and we have done 43 plus 3, 46, and this is going to be of 7 marks. ये 7 marks का है यानी कि 53. After this, we'll complete 53. So let me see how much we can finish today. The balance we will handle on Wednesday.
Yes.
Hmm.
Done, sir.
Okay. "53" is done. Harsh is still trying.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. Now, the next one is, this is the last question of the day. Last question. What all things you are doing every day to improve your spoken English? 10 marks question. What all things you are doing every day to improve your spoken English? You have 5 minutes time. After 5 minutes, I will stop you and then we will close the session. You have 5 minutes to answer this
And
question.
remaining, sir, and remaining
Next, in the next class. The next class.
Wednesday.
Yes,
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, not Wednesday. So Wednesday. What all things you are doing every day to improve your spoken English? You have only 5 minutes. So please hurry up. Please hurry up and start writing. 10 marks question, 5 minutes to answer. What all things you are doing every day to improve your spoken English? The moment 5 minutes will be over, I will stop. I will change the slide. So 63 marks done. 53 plus 10, 63 marks done. Balance we will handle on Wednesday. Last 4 minutes. Last 4 minutes to answer this question.
Sir, done.
10 marks question. At least you should write some 7, 8, 9, 10 things. So just think, if you can add more sentences, please add more sentences. Don't write in points. I want full sentences. I want full sentences.
Sir, can't write in the point.
You can write in points, but I want complete sentence. Do not write in words and phrases.
Yes, sir.
Write in complete sentence.
Sir, I write in points, but it's complete sentence.
Complete sentence, because I want to check your points also, and also I want to check your sentence formation. Your grammatical mistakes I have to check. So either write in a passage or point wise, but write complete sentence. You have 3 minutes more. Last 3 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Last 1.5 minute. Last 1.5 minute. Last 1 minute. Last 1 minute. And those who have done, those who have finished, please click the photo of your page. What all you have written, please click a nice photo of that page and post in the group. Click
Okay, sir.
a nice photo and post in the group. The moment I will receive your photo, it means you have done. You have
It's over, sir.
you have to click photo of all the pages on which you have written your answers and post in the group.
Done, sir.
So please click the photo and post in the group. But click a nice
Now-
photo. Now only.
Sir, but remaining?
Remaining next week,
Remaining.
sorry, next class. So 63 marks I will check now. 63 marks I will check now. And remaining
Sir, it's
37.
necessary to write names.
A name is required so that I can understand.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I forgot.
Write your name on the top.
Okay.
Click nice picture. Click nice and clear picture and send to me.
Yes, sir. I'm sending. Just a
Okay.
second. Make PDF.
Not required. Image also will do. Image also will do. If you can make PDF, better.
Yes, sir. Camera scanner.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so please, I'm waiting for your messages. I'm waiting for your messages.
Right now, sir, click the pic.
Right now, I
Sir.
want.
Sir, how to click the pic? Oh,
Sir,
okay, sir,
I don't-
I got the icon.
You have all.
Sir,
options.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, I didn't write the headlines of question. I write question 3, question 4.
It's okay. I can find out. No problem.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Sir, where is the camera, sir? To click the pic.
Okay. Do one thing. If you are unable to click the photo, you are having a problem, you can log out and click and send me in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, I want all your
Okay, sir, right
answers.
now I'm.
Please log out.
Sir, I have
Thank you.
sent.
Okay, sir.
Thank you very much. We will meet on Wednesday.
Bye, sir.
Okay, bye-bye. Good night.
Sir, I have sent.
Bye, sir.
Okay, thank you, Harsh. Thank you, Harsh. Now you can log out. We will meet on Wednesday with the balance questions.
Bye, sir.
Okay, bye-bye.
Sir, I have write 6 sentences in points.
Okay. Please send the photo and please log out. Please log out.